Why are there so many different thicknesses of cutting discs? In front of us here, we have three different cutting discs. On the left-hand side here, we have a ultra-thin 1mm cutting disc. In the middle here, we have a 1.3mm cutting disc. And on the far right here, we actually have a disc that's 2.5mm in thickness. Okay, so why? Say, for example, we wanted to cut these pieces of stainless steel in half. For the small, thin piece, it makes perfect sense to be using the ultra-thin wheel. The reasons is because you'll do it really very quickly. It'll be through that like a knife through hot butter. But if you tried to use the 1mm wheel to cut this really thick piece of stainless steel, yes, of course it will do it, but it will wear the disc away before you've actually cut through. Also, when you're cutting very thick material like this, it's quite easy to flex the disc a little bit inside the cut and start to wander off in a strange angle, so you can actually start to go in a curve. So when you have thick pieces of steel, it's often better to go thicker. Yes, it will take you longer to push this wider disc through the material and cut through that material, but you will end up with a much straighter cut because the wheel is more stable inside the cut, and you're less likely to have to stop and change for a new disc.